I am Guru Prasanna K from 3D Fully Design. I am your 3D trainer and coach. This is a right angle tool or right angle measuring device which is generally used in industries. Here I would like to explore this in 3D CAD.
These are the actual pictures of two sizes of the right angle tool, that is size 1 bigger and size 2 smaller. Size 1 and size 2. These are the dimensions of the right angle tool, size 1 bigger and size 2 smaller, all dimensions in millimeters. MOC is alloy steel, equivalent is AISA 1020, two disjoint pieces 1 and 2 bonded together with adhesives. A description for right angle tool and its application pictures. First and foremost, to begin the design, on front plane starting from origin, drawn a rectangle of length 127 and height 28. Then solidified it by extruding symmetrically to a thickness of 11 mm. Again on front plane, let's draw a rectangle vertically of height 240 and length 30. And this should make 90 degree with the bottom rectangle. Vertical rectangle in red color. Let's make a cut symmetrically to a thickness of 1.6 mm to fit the vertical strip. The cut created on the base. Then by using same sketch, solidified symmetrically for vertical strip of 1.6 mm thick. But this right angle strip of 1.6 mm thick is a disjoint body or a multi-body. For size 2, I will not create new part file. Instead of that, I would create a new configuration in the same part file. Let's create a new configuration size 2 smaller for size 2 of the tool. Then let's update the dimensions one by one to match the size 2 configuration of the right angle tool. Let's switch between size 1 and size 2 configs to verify it. And ultimately, the 2D detailing is here for both size 1 and size 2 with ortho plus iso views with all dimensions, material applied and mass values. Subscribe 3D Fully Design.